Hi guys, welcome back. We're looking at the DAX 40 hourly chart on capital.com. And after touching close to 14,000 last night, it's gone sideways. And as you can see, these lines emanating from the top are resistances. And we're trying to determine how high DAX could go today. All right. And after we are looking at 250. 14,250 as your first resistance. It's trading close to that. And above that, there's a kind of a no trade zone here, okay, between 250 and 300. 300 would act as a resistance. Actually, it's a support level that DAX would try to get above. Once it gets above that, right, we have these three resistances between DAX and the 400 level, 440 level. All right. So let me repeat. We have our first resistance at 250, 14,250. A second one at 300, 300 being a support level, a key support level. If DAX closes above that in the hourly, we could actually go towards the 450 or even higher today. Okay, guys. So if you have any questions, put them down in the comment section. And thanks for watching and good luck.